this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use and nothing hard for you to not understand. So first off, it's a very basic, very basic AI application here. So down here is pretty much where you enter your prompt, where you want to generate a video or whether you want to generate an image. So let's say, for example, we want to generate a cat, for example, and you just go ahead and tap on this here, and it will pretty much go ahead and start generating a cat for you. So down here you do have the plus icon where you can pretty much add photos if you want to use as reference or things like that. So it will pretty much take a few to pretty much generate something as based on cat. As you can see here, it's pretty much giving you information as it relates to the cat or the prompt that's going to use to generate a cat for you. As you can see here, as you can see at the top, it does give you the prompt that was used to create the image. As you can see down here, this is pretty much the image, and you can pretty much go ahead and tap on the download icon here to pretty much go ahead and download the image, and it will pretty much go to your gallery and you're good to go. So one thing I forgot to mention is that once you do sign in either with a Google account or any email or Gmail that you have, you can sign up or sign in with. Very simple, and you're good to go. That's the only thing that you have to do once you open the application. But as you can see here, you have the image section and you have the video section. If I do want to turn this image here into a video, all I have to do is select the video option and enter what I want to do, and I'm pretty much good to go. So once you do sign in or sign up with the application, you do get 120 credits for free. And if I do go in the project section, you can pretty much see everything that you have done on the application. It will show in the section, and as you can see, this is one of the things that I've done, as you can see, recently. And I can also tap on the three dots over here to give it a different name, add it as my favorite, or pretty much delete the chat. So the inspiration section is pretty much, I would say, prompts or reels which you can use. All you have to do is pretty much upload a photo of yourself, just tap on the remix option, and you're good to go. So you do have the create option and you do have the inspiration option. So if you look at the top, you can pretty much see Go Premium, and if you do tap on Go Premium, you can pretty much see the prices of this section here. It pretty much tells you everything that you're getting. You have the starter pack, you have the plus pack, and you have the pro subscription. So either one that works for you, it's all up to you guys. And it does tell you what you're getting. Only thing that I'm not sure about is the credits, how much credits you'll be getting for this. I'm guessing you'll be getting 1,000 credits daily, 1,200 credits daily, because once it's your first time signing up on the application, it will give you 1,200 credits for free. So I'm guessing that's the amount you'll be getting for free. Not for free, once you do purchase a subscription, you'll be getting that. So if I do go back in the inspiration section, tap on the settings option at the top, you'll be able to see how much credits you have. And seems to be 40 credits to pretty much generate the image. I'm not sure about the video, it could be the same, but yeah. And as well, you can pretty much go into this section and pretty much see how much credits you have. And you can tap on the view plan option to pretty much go ahead and purchase your subscription. Yes, as well, you can go ahead and edit your profile. And as I said about the remix or the inspiration section, all you have to do, if you want to use any one of these, all you have to do is tap on the remix option, upload your photo, a clear photo of yourself so you can get the best results, and you're good to go. The AI will pretty much do the rest. And some of these remix options, you will see, let's say for example this one here, you may see a little diamond icon there with a little tick inside of it. That means it pretty much you're gonna need a subscription to use that remix. So very easy. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Very good application, and it's completely free. Not completely free, but you do get a certain good amount of credits which you can use to test out their AI features and pretty much everything about the application. So let me know your thoughts on this application, guys, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.